Avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, is a viral infection that primarily affects birds. Symptoms of avian influenza in humans are fever, cough, sore throat, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing or pneumonia. It is important to seek medical attention if a person has contact with infected birds. Preventive measures for avian influenza include practicing hand hygiene, avoiding contact with sick birds, and thoroughly cooking poultry products. Surveillance, rapid response to outbreaks, and vaccination of poultry are also essential strategies to prevent the spread of avian influenza.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.